Hey there everyone, it's Cindy with Cresin Project. So I haven't been really doing much resin stuff the last couple days. We've been working on the library roof, or ceiling rather, and it's turning out really good. So here's what it looks like. So that's what it used to look like all across, just boards and wires. And we're putting this in now. And then there's my bookshelves. They're starting to get full. It's a little bit messy in here because we've been working, but I'll do an update again once it's completed. It looks really good. So today, I am going to try and make some Mother's Day items, and more manatees, of course. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I haven't been able to get back to the springs. Monday we went out in Crystal River and Steve did some spearfishing. I was gonna go in the water and do work on my breath hold and such, but the water was a little bit too cold for me. I don't like cold water, so I didn't get in, even though I should have. Hopefully this weekend, maybe a few days next week, we'll be able to get out and I can do some more practicing, because my class is not this weekend but next weekend, so cross my fingers. I'm like really nervous, but I think I'll pass. I hope. We'll see. I've been doing breath holds. You have to do 90 seconds, I believe, and right now, out of water with no anxiety issues, I'm able to do a minute. But that'll change once I get to the class and get in the water and such. I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that I will pass. So we'll see. But today I'm gonna finish up this and this. I only did half, and trying to figure out what color I want to put in to fill up the rest on both sides. I'm gonna put some clear on top of this before I demold it. I'm gonna finish up these little guys, and I have these acrylic stamps. I think they're acrylic stamps. I have quite a few of them, but this one has like holidays and stuff. I took the Mother's Day one out and I put it on here. So I'm gonna do some resin-crete and maybe color it once it's done with some acrylic paint. So basically what you do is you put the little stamp in and then you pour the resin-crete. You let it set for an hour, because that's how long it takes for resin-crete to do, about 30 minutes to an hour depending on which brand you're using. Right now I'm using J. Diction resin-crete Eco, or Eco. So I'm gonna pour that, let it sit for about an hour, and then when you demold it, you peel that out and it'll leave the imprint, so it'll say Mother's Day. And I think I have it in there right, yeah, good. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and that's pretty much it. I'm waiting for Steve to get back so that we can finish up the library today. I think we'll be able to get that completed. So tomorrow I may have the update on how the library looks after. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse now, and thank you for watching my video. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. So enjoy, and thank you so much. Alright everyone, so this is all the finished product. Did some manatees. I've been doing some watercolor manatees, something different. Some skulls, some beads, little kitty cat. I kinda finished this. I'm gonna have to add another clear coat on top of it. I added a clear coat to the flamingo as well as one of the pins. And I'll have to add another coat to this. And the resin crete is looking pretty good. It's got about 40 more minutes and then I can take it out of this. I mean, the way it looks and feels right now, I could probably take it out now, but I don't want to risk messing it up, so I'm just going to let it continue to set for the additional 40 minutes that I would recommend doing. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm going to clean up and get ready to start working on the ceiling again in the office. So thank you for watching my video, and like I said earlier, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. So thank you and have a great day. Hey there everyone. So, my last video that I posted, I mentioned how we were redoing the ceiling in the office slash library. Here's the finished product. We were working on this for like 3 days, and it turned out really amazing. I love it, and it smells so good. I love the smell of wood. Yeah, here's my bookshelf again, all my bookshelves. Got some books today. There was a traveling book sale going on at a local library, so we went and got a couple books. Today I'm just doing a couple things, like I'm doing some pop sockets. I thought that those would be some neat little selling items at my next event. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna make probably about 15-20 of them in different colors. I made this one and it turned out really cute. It's a little flower one. So those will be available at my next event. Probably not super expensive, maybe like, I don't know, $250, I'm thinking, because I mean the materials didn't really cost me that much. I'm making me a skull that lights up so I can put on my bookshelves, and it looks really cool so far. I'm hoping it turns out good and there's not a ton of bubbles, but we'll see. I made one of these, and this was the finished product. I'm really upset about the line right there. It's a layer line because I had to do it in layers. So I do like, it looks cute, and I'll probably still have it for sale, but I think I'm gonna try it again. I've been making a lot of plaster items to sell at the event. Some cute little, they say Happy Mother's Day, and then this one is just a little bird and some flowers. So not much. Just trying to get a couple things for the upcoming event on May 10th. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing the Live Oak Artisan Market the weekend before or after. I have to figure out what items I have and what I'm going to be selling. I don't want to be short on items for the Wildflower Festival, so we'll have to see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now I'm just gonna fill these in with some resin dye in different colors, because I'm thinking about maybe adding these little pieces into the wind chime that I'm going to be making. I want to make a couple of these, and I plan to make a few of these dream catchers as well for my event. Those will be kind of neat to have available. That's pretty much it. I'm not going to put it on time lapse this time, since I'm pretty much finished and I just have a little couple things to do. So thanks for watching, and hopefully everyone has a great day.